Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, awesome and amazing new cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Latest and stylish different cross stitch hand embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Please guys subscribe my channels and press the bell icon. And press the bell icon, you will see the stylish and more than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas during my channel. Outstanding and stylish, most beautiful and different collections, different cross stitch embroidery designs. More than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas during my channel. All embroidery very beautiful and unique, new third embroidery designs and different embroidery designs ideas. How was the video latest and stylish? New cross stitch embroidery designs and more than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas during my channel. All these fabrics are attractive. New cross stitch embroidery designs and more than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas during my channel. Third embroidery designs in different colors, different embroidery designs ideas. Latest and stylish, most beautiful, amazing new embroidery designs and different embroidery designs ideas for my channel. Different colors and outstanding, most beautiful and stylish new embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and full watch my videos and you will see the stylish different colors and color combinations and most beautiful, amazing new cross stitch embroidery designs and latest and stylish unique new cross stitch embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and you will see the stylish fabrics and attractive, most beautiful new embroidery designs, cross stitch embroidery and stylish new cross stitch embroidery designs. Till the next video guys, and full watch my videos and you will see the stylish fabrics and attractive and most beautiful cross stitch embroidery designs ideas, different embroidery, third embroidery and different colors, different cross stitch embroidery designs and more than hundreds of new designs ideas during my channel. So till the next video guys, and full watch my videos and you will see the stylish, outstanding new cross stitch embroidery design, embroidery designs and how was the video, how to design latest and stylish different new cross stitch embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and you will never miss any video, any collections, and you will see the stylish and amazing new cross stitch embroidery designs.